What began as a case of GMC Sierra versus a couple of citizens from North County Dublin, it's very apparent that this is no longer GMC Sierra versus a couple of individuals. This is the people of Ireland versus the Irish government, and the fact that Enda Kenny and the Labour Party and the Fine Gael Party are wobbling on their knees, it proves that the people of this country are winning and will win, and we will not stop till we see the end of the Fine Gael Labour government that has victimised the people of this country. And we will not stop in our battle against water meters or water charges. When we said we won't pay, we will not pay.
So what do you make of the concessions that the government have offered in recent times?
Well, if we say they can shove the water meters up their arse, they can shove the concessions up their arse. We didn't ask for concessions. We said we will not pay. And the fact that people of this country got in the hundreds of thousands on the streets and protested and said they will not pay, they are still again going to be out on the streets on the 10th of December saying we will not pay. And I'll ask every person across the country, whether they're working or unemployed, to work together to get to the dial on the 10th of December, because on the 10th of December we'll bring this government down once and for all.
What do you make of today's decision?
What do I make of today's decisions? Well, we've openly defied the court, where we said we will not take an undertaking to take the 20-metre exclusion zone, because that is ineffectively removing our right to freedom of movement around our own housing estates, where GMC Sierra can come in and landlock us and basically confine us to our own houses. So we've said we wouldn't take it, and throughout all that, all they managed to do was give a suspended sentence. So they weren't prepared to jail anyone. Goes to show even the courts know that the Irish government is ready to fall.